It seems like the current problem with Google Docs only affects PLDT subscribers. So it's not really an issue with Google servers. The problem is with your internet service provider. To fix it, change the DNS servers of your computer, and use Google's public DNS. For those who don't know how to do it yet, here's how. Open a file browser. On the left pane, look for Network and then right-click on it and click Properties. Click your network to open its settings. Click the Properties button. Click Internet Protocol version 4, and click the Properties button. At the lower part of the window, look for Use the following DNS server addresses, and click on it. Now enter Google's public DNS. After that, click OK and then Close. The DNS server should work immediately. Refresh your Google Docs page and it should work now. We hope that this simple guide can help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.